Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you how we make this delicious tater tot with cheese, chorizo, and egg breakfast dish that will impress anyone that you make it for, but is actually super easy and simple to make, and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So here's how we make it.
So to start off, we're gonna squeeze out our chorizo packets into a hot pan. We're using soy chorizo to try to make this a little healthier, but you can use any chorizo you prefer. While that started cooking, we got our tater tots ready. To get those ready, we just lined our baking sheet with parchment paper, and since we're just using frozen tater tots, we just followed the instructions on the back of the bag. Once we put those in the oven, we went back to check on our chorizo. We like to cook our chorizo until it's a little toasted, so once it looked the way we like it, we turned off the heat and set that aside to start cooking our eggs. To make our eggs, we sprayed some non-stick cooking spray on our pan, and once the pan warmed up, we cracked 2 eggs on it to let them start frying. To season the eggs, we added some salt and pepper. We like our eggs over medium, so we flip them and let them cook a little on the other side. While our tater tots were still hot, we served them on a plate and added some shredded mozzarella cheese so that it could melt. Once we put our cheese on there, we added a good amount of our chorizo and then put our fried egg on top to top it off. And that's how you make an easy and delicious breakfast that looks like you did a lot of work, but really didn't.
We really hope you will give this recipe a try, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more recipes. See you next week. Bye!